What's up? This is Griff at Skate Warehouse. Going to show you how to grip and assemble a board today. First thing, you're going to need a few tools. You need a unit tool, comes a little screwdriver, and an Allen key, depending on what type of hardware you got. You're going to need a scraper. We use a screwdriver, something small, either a small screwdriver or a scratch-all, poke your holes, and a razor blade. First, you want to take your grip, peel off the backing, hold on to this because you're going to need that later. Lay the grip down on the board, try and center it. Take your backing, press down in the middle, and then up the nose and tail. You want to take your scraper and just scrape around the edge, holding about a 45-degree angle. Take your razor blade, come up, poke it up through the back, hold about a 45-degree angle, and pull towards yourself. Kind of follow that guideline you just scraped out for yourself. Just cut around. I like to take the extra piece, then scrape around the edges so the edges don't come off the edge of the board. Take your poker, small screwdriver, something pointy, and just poke out your hardware holes. Board's gripped, ready to assemble. Next step, get your hardware. You want to poke it through those holes in the grip. Now to get the hardware through, take your riser pads if you got them. Slide them onto the hardware. Next, take your trucks. Do the same thing. Slide them onto those bolts. And put the nuts on the end to hold them in place. Alright. This part's a little bit easier if you've got a power drill, the 3/8 socket bit. If you don't, it's all good. You can use your unit tool. You just tighten up your hardware bolts. Then you want to put your bearings into your wheels. If you don't have a bearing press, what you're going to want to do, take one bearing, take off the axle nut on one truck, put your bearing on the axle, get one of your wheels and just push it on there as hard as you can. Make sure it gets in there all the way. And then just repeat for all 4 wheels on both sides. 8 bearings total. Next, you're going to want to mount the wheels. The truck should come with 2 washers per axle. But you want one on the inside, one on the outside. Just slide your wheel on, slide on the washer, get your axle nut, screw it on there, grab your unit tool and tighten it up. You're gonna want a little bit of play, not too much, but not so much that your wheel doesn't spin. There you go, and repeat for all 4. Now that you got your wheels on, make sure your trucks are mounted to the deck nice and tight. Axle nuts aren't going to come off. You just assemble the skateboard. Congratulations.